Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. By the way, I'm Attorney Zai, and our episode for today's Let's Talk Legal, we will answer multiple questions in one video, okay? So, our first question here is, Attorney, tanong lang po, physical injury po yung ginawa niya at ipinost namin yung ginawa niyang pambubugbog. Tapos, nagka-settlement po sa kasong physical injury. Pero pagkatapos, ipinasomon kami sa barangay dahil dun sa ipinost namin tungkol sa pambubugbog kasi cyber libel daw yun. Ano po yung dapat gawin? So actually, ito yung mga kadalasan nangyayari. Ipinupost sa online, tapos pag nagkadimandahan, nagkakasettle. So, but we have to take note, sa kasong physical injury at kasong cyber libel, although they're both criminal cases, they have different elements, different issues, okay? So sa physical injury, yung element dun is may actual na pananakit na nangyari at yung pananakit ay ginawa ng isang akusado, no? At may intensyon na manakit, okay? Sa cyber libel, iba yung elemento. Kasi yung cyber libel, yung intensyon na ipahiya o sirain ang dignidad, ang reputasyon ng isang tao. So take note, sa cyber libel, malice is always presumed. Ilang beses ko na itong nasabi or na-discuss sa ating previous videos, no? So if you want to watch or if you want to learn about cyber libel, you may watch or you may refer to our other videos, okay? So going back, again, cyber libel and physical injury, these are two distinct crimes. So iba yung issue, iba yung elements nila. So, although nagka-settle kayo dun sa issues about physical injury, pero pagdating sa cyber libel, iba yung issue dito. Kaya, posibleng filean din kayo ng kaso ng cyber libel. But of course, you can use as a defense naman na may kaso kayo, or may final kayong physical injury sa una, pero nagka-settle, or totoo naman na binugbog kayo, or whatever defense na pwede nyong erase. Pwede naman yon. Pero take note, gaya ng sinabi ko din dun sa previous videos natin na truth is not a valid defense in cyber libel. So, these are evidentiary in nature, so meaning you have to prove it in court, okay? So, again, iba yung issue ng cyber libel, iba yung issue ng physical injury. So, it doesn't mean na na-settle kayo sa physical injury, settled na rin kayo sa cyber libel. No. Kasi again, magkaiba sila.